Medical malpractice cases are probably the most complex and likely the most difficult cases to pursue and to win. So we and most people who do this kind of work are very careful about which cases we take. There really isn't a typical case that would meet our standard, but basically there has to be a significant enough injury that the damages that we could expect to recover could justify the very, very significant costs that we're going to incur and the risk that we're never going to recover those because we may not win. But in any case, we want to have a pretty clear indication that the care that was provided was not acceptable, that there was negligence, and that we can establish that that negligence caused an injury. If there are doubts about that, or we think we're reaching to link up a cause, we're probably not going to get involved in that case because we want, for a variety of reasons, want to be pretty sure that if we make a claim that somebody is negligent in their medical care, that we are sure that that occurred, that we have the expert support to prove that that occurred, and that the damages that ensued were very substantial, and we can ask a jury to give real damages for that.
There are a lot of different kinds of medical malpractice claims. Some of the more typical ones are when there's negligence during the course of some form of treatment, such as administration of radiation or a surgical procedure, where something in the course of the treatment simply wasn't done in compliance with the standard of care. And as a result of not complying with the standard of care, of getting onto autopilot and treating it as routine and mundane, someone simply doesn't pay attention to the details of treatment, and as a result, someone is injured, sometimes profoundly, sometimes even killed. It's never intentional, but it is often unthinking, and it is often a result of a departure from the standard of care for someone in that position. The two areas that we probably see the most in the medical negligence case are some defect in a procedure that's been undertaken, or some defect in the workup, which results in a misdiagnosis, a failure to appreciate what's going on until it's simply too late.